Hey guys, sitting here today in Solara Del Mar upstairs, look at this land end view with our agent, Scott Purcell. Hey Scott, thanks for taking out an afternoon with us.
Thanks for having me, Brent. Pleasure to be here.
So I want to just introduce you guys. I'm sure you guys heard Scott, but if you don't know, he does racing on the dirt bikes here in the Baja Sur and the whole Baja. And tell us a little about racing dirt bikes here in the Baja and your longevity.
Well, I've been focused on longevity and lifestyle here in the Baja for the last 5 years now. And I do enjoy racing motorcycles. I compete in events like the Score Series, the Baja 1000 and the NORRA 1000. Mm-hmm. And the lifestyle I've been able to accomplish here has really enabled that.
Tell us your recent story with the recent race.
Just finished the NORRA 1000 about a month ago. I placed third in the pro class and third overall.
Third place, congrats. What I love about hearing these stories is you're the oldest in the group and everyone else is like 20 years younger than you.
Not everyone, but I tend to be doing better for my age than a lot of guys who are younger than me.
Yes. So tell us a little about your secrets of staying longevity down here in Cabo.
Breathwork, exposure to the nature environment, lack of stress, which is really easy to do here in Cabo because of the lifestyle, and support from entities like Lonvita.
Lonvita. So I just went to the clinic with my brother and my mom in December. They're out of Polanco,
that's right,
Mexico City. And I heard they're building one here.
They're coming to Cabo, and they've actually sponsored me in my racing this year. So
Lonvita will be here soon. And I appreciate you taking out an afternoon with us, Scott. And till the next video in Solara Del Mar. Thank you.